In this quick video tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to add a YouTube video or a Panopto video to a page in Canvas. I'm going to begin by navigating to the page that I want to add my content to. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Modules, and the page that I'll be using is right here called Panopto and YouTube Demo. So I'm going to want to click on that page. Now, as you can see, it brings me to my blank page, and I want to make changes to this page, so I'm going to begin by clicking the Edit button in the upper right-hand corner. This is going to open up a text box for me, and it's going to bring me to the menu that I'll be using to navigate to those tools. So to begin, I like to make sure that my cursor is in my text window because that's where the video is going to appear. So now that I've got my cursor here, I want to go ahead and I want to click Tools. I want to click Apps. And as you can see, I've already used the Panopto tool and I've used the YouTube tool, but if there's another tool that you wanted to use and you didn't see it on this menu, you do have the option to click View All. And these are all of the tools that are available to you in Canvas. So let's go ahead and let's start with the Panopto Recording. So I want to select the Panopto Recording tool. And when I do this, it will bring me to my Panopto folder. So I would simply look through my videos here, and I would select the video that I want to add. So I'm going to click this button here, and I'm going to say Insert. And what Canvas is going to do is it's going to pop that video onto my page for me. So that's how you would add a Panopto video. The steps are actually the same to add a YouTube video. So what I've done is I went ahead and I clicked Enter on my keyboard, and you can see my cursor is now here. So now I'll show you how to add a YouTube video. Now, last time I used the tool menu to access the apps. You can also access the apps from here by clicking on the little drop-down menu next to what looks like a plug. So if I go ahead and click this little drop-down menu, you'll see I have access to those same tools. Since I've already used YouTube once before, it's right here, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select YouTube. And it brings me to the search screen. Now, if you have the web address of a YouTube video, you can actually go ahead and copy that web address in here. Since I don't have a web address, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a search for fishing. And when I find the video that I want to add, I would go ahead and say Embed. And once again, you're going to see that Canvas has now embedded that video onto this page. So here's my Panopto video. Here's my YouTube video. And since we're adding items to a page, you're going to want to remember to save this page when you're finished. So now that we've finished adding our content, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click Save. And now here you can see my completed page. I have my Panopto video that if I click on this little play button, it will start playing for my students, and the same with the YouTube video. If I go ahead and I click that play button, it'll go ahead and play back for my students.